yeah, we're the BRIMZ BRUVZ, and my name's Logan and Finley. So Finley's my brother. So we're going to be trying these sour sweets, and if it's sour, it's a 10 out of 10. If it's not sour, it's a 1 out of 10. So we're going to be trying them today, and if they're sour, we're going to tell you, and then if they're not sour, we're going to tell you too. So Finley, you want to start the video now? Go on, open it. Go. Can't taste the sour bit yet. Don't really think it's sour. Just gonna keep on chewing it. It's not a bit sour. Not sour. Not sour. That's a little bit. I mean that like a 5 out of 10? I got 10. I think it's a little bit sour.
I like it. These are Xtreme apple chews. And you get 6 in a packet. Subscribe to our channel, smash the like button, turn on notifications.